Hi guys, happy Friday! So I just finished work, so we'll be going home now. Hi guys, in the car now. I'm finally driving home. Thanks God it's Friday. So the weekend begins, guys. I'm going home now to pick up Paris, Mimi and Mike. We're going to take Paris into we're going to take her for a swim, guys. So I know it's been really cold here in Melbourne. I think it's only 16 degrees Celsius today. However, where we're taking Paris for a swim, it's obviously warm water, so that is cool. I think Paris has been really excited for that. I don't think she cares, but yep. Well, Dada wanted to go before when I was still at work, so he wanted to go with Paris, but I said no, wait for me, because I don't know, guys. I think it's just for me as a mom, you know, when we're talking about water, it makes me feel scared and worried. So I said wait for me because I want to be there, because I know it's not that I don't trust Mike with Paris, but obviously, you know, Mike is a wonderful dad, he's the best. No, it's just more, I feel more comfortable with Paris, you know, with Paris going for a swim when I'm around. So I think other moms there would, you know, can relate to how I feel. So that's why going home now, I can't wait. And yeah, I think the traffic is not too bad, I hope. So I want to be home as soon as possible, guys. Seriously, it's been a long day, long week. I'm so freaking tired, but hey, it's Friday, right? So that's the main thing. Relaxed day for 2 days. And yeah, so drive home only takes, I don't know, maybe if the traffic is fine, I'd say 25-30 minutes. But yeah, when the traffic is bad, then that's a different story, guys. Normally, sometimes it takes an hour, which is stupid, right? But what can you do? You have to drive, you can't fly. So what's everyone's plan for the weekend, guys? Anong meron? The traffic looks fine, guys. I'm happy. So Mike didn't go to work today, guys, because he's feeling under the weather, so he didn't go in to work, so he stayed with Paris today. I think they've been to the park already. They went for a walk, because Mike loves to spend time in Paris. Who doesn't want to spend time with their daughters or their sons, right? But yeah, it's only 5:23 in the afternoon here, guys, but it's starting to, like, yeah, it's getting really dark now. You can really tell that, you know, winter, it's now winter. And I look at the forecast for the whole week, next week, and it's gonna be raining. It's not fun, guys. It's not fun. So I just wear a shirt like this because I'm not really outside. So as soon as I get out from the house, straight in the car, straight in the car park, straight to the office. And in the office we put the heater on, so I'm fine wearing this. And also I get used to the weather now too. I don't feel really cold anymore. Like compared to before, or maybe my skin is getting thicker when you're getting older. Maybe. Hey, who's ready for swimming? Who's ready for swimming? Are you taking your cup? Come on now. Yay! So bag with all the stuff in there. Keys. Sweetie, hey. Hi guys, we're on our way to Mcdonalds Aquatic Center. So that's where we're gonna go to take Paris for a swim. Hi, it's very dark in the car. We're just waiting for Dada to come out because... Hey, George, are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Yeah, she's happy, of course. We're here now, guys. Oh my god, it's so freaking cold. It is very windy. Say hi, Mac. That is where are we going? Nag shorts na siya, guys. Wala siya na-inform. Wow. Hey. We're going in there, guys. Thank you to Tita. Tita is not swimming, guys, because she is Gandingon. No chance. Hmm? Oh my god, there's lots of people, guys. Have a look.
Sorry about that. I better do that.
She's smart. Right? She was easy.
Are you excited? She's ready now, guys. Oh, aren't you cute? Aren't you cute with your baby suit? Are you going to swim? So guys, Mimi's not going for a swim because she thought that it's going to be really cold. Although inside here is really warm, guys, because the water is so warm. Okay, Mama's gonna change now. Wanna say hi? Hi? Hi to the vlog. So while we're here, we just ordered food, guys. So this is calamari rings with chips. That is $10. Kainan na. So we got Uber Eats, guys. Go. We ordered a large double cheeseburger. Oh, okay. Do you want it now? Double cheeseburger and apple pie. So one for Mimi and one for myself. And chips for Paris. You're eating? Yeah. And we also got frozen Coke. Yum.
It's just great to watch. I've lost a bit of faith in Ruckman, but he's
Double layer. It's double.
saying about that, the way he's used the foot candy with a great
Yeah. Dahong kaon guys so way tulun. Ay, mang tulun day. Way sabod.
quite taken a step.
I like all good small forwards. You pretend like you're going to kick it to your teammate inside.
Someone's not happy.
You just sitting with somebody that's not the net behind.
He thinks this is rubbish food, guys.
27 at the moment.
But we love it.
But that which is a good effort.
Yum. Hi guys. So we just finished eating. Wait, up. We just finished eating our McDonald's. And we're gonna go upstairs now and get ready for bed. Well, thank you so much guys for watching today's video. We're gonna end it here now because yeah, we have to prepare for bed now. So thank you, and don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Say bye. Bye.
Yes.